How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's show you on how you can fix your Anbernic RG35XX stuck on your loading screen. So we need to try different solutions in order to fix this. The first thing that you want to do is to just remove the screws from the back of your console. And then right after, you could remove and reinstall the battery port, and then you want to simply turn it back on. Now from there, you can also see your SD card. Now this is really important because if the first step didn't work, we can then try navigating through the second part. So if the first one didn't work, you could try to get your SD card. And basically what we are going to do is to update the firmware itself, because in some other cases, your firmware might be corrupted that's causing the problem itself. So first things first, you want to navigate through the firmware updates for Anbernic, and then in here you want to look for your specific model. Let's say that we are using the RG35XX Pro. So just click on the download now button, download the firmware itself, and then simply right after you could just prompt or insert your card to a card reader, open up on your computer, and then what you want to do is to just override everything that's inside this specific firmware to simply update your console itself. After updating, you want to plug your SD card back onto the console, hit on the reset button, which is going to be this one, and basically right after, it will then simply work. Now, once again, in most cases, your firmware might be corrupted that's causing the stuck issue. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.